Easy Tape has developed a new Easy Stick self-adhesive drywall tape that is easy to use and saves installation time, especially for the professional tapers. The Easy Stick allows for a quicker completion time over conventional taping by eliminating one full step in the mudding process. The aggressive adhesive creates a strong bond with gypsum board, which allows the Easy Stick to be covered with only the final 2 coats of joint compound. The Easy Stick tape system also creates a much stronger finished drywall seam compared to fiberglass mesh. Professional tapers will find our new taping tool very easy to use working on stilts or at floor level. The tool easily straps to the user's waist. A roll of Easy Stick attaches to one end of the tool. The tape is threaded through the top of the cover, around the support, and then back out the top opening after passing through the water bath. The tool quickly dispenses and wets the tape in one motion, so the user can continuously apply the Easy Stick. Note that both hands of the user are free to work with the tape. Watch how easily the tape is applied to the vertical and horizontal drywall seams. It is applied to ceilings with the same easiness. The tape is creased to make it easy to apply to even corners. After applying, wipe it down with a drywall knife or towel to smooth and remove any excess water before it begins to set up. After a 10 to 15 minute drying time, the tape can be covered with joint compound. The versatility of the Easy Stick makes it great to use in any situation. Since the Easy Stick must be immersed in water prior to applying to activate the adhesive, do-it-yourselfers will find that using a dish with water is easy to use. Pre-cut strips can quickly be run through the dish to wet it. As soon as you remove it, place it on the drywall seam and then wipe it down with a drywall knife or towel to smooth and remove any excess water before it begins to set up. Notice closely that there is very little water that comes with the Easy Stick as you take it out of the water bath. After a 10 to 15 minute drying time, the tape can be covered with joint compound. Do not just use a sponge. This applies an uneven and insufficient amount of water to the tape. For more continuous and quicker wetting, any container, such as a pail, that holds water can be fitted with a device, such as a paint roller, to hold the Easy Stick in place as you unwind it. Just clamp the device to the side of the pail. Another device, such as a small board, is then suspended in the pail with the bottom below the surface of the water. The Easy Stick is then drawn quickly through the water, below the board, then stretched over the drywall seam. Easy Stick, which is creased, can be applied to any type of drywall joint on ceilings and walls. This includes horizontal and vertical joints, inside and outside corners, and even butt joints. Note that fiberglass mesh tape is not even recommended for butt joints or corners. If you have a wide gap joint, such as a butt joint, pre-fill with a quick setting joint compound. If you find exposed gypsum from a tear in the wallboard paper, also cover this with joint compound before applying the Easy Stick. Place the wet tape over the wet joint compound used as a pre-fill. Then wipe it down with a drywall knife, sponge, or towel to smooth it. Professional tapers will like using a quick setting joint compound for the first coat. An all-purpose joint compound can also be used. Do not use a lightweight joint compound for the first coat. This should only be used for the second coat. Follow the directions the manufacturer of the joint compound has on each container. Once the first coat of joint compound dries, a minimum amount of sanding may be necessary before applying the finishing coat. It is possible to apply the first coat and the finishing coats the same day if quick setting or chemically hardening joint compound is used for the first coat. The labor savings on a job can increase 33 to 66%, depending on the kind of joint compound that is used for the first coat. A large variety of joints to fill on walls and ceilings with a drywall job can be encountered, especially on a commercial one. The versatility of Easy Stick allows you to meet all of the job challenges. You will have a beautifully finished wall and also have the satisfaction of having more money in your pocket from the project when you use Easy Stick. Thanks for using the Easy Stick self-adhesive drywall tape. If you have any questions not answered in the video, call us at 800-721-4600. 8273.